Good morning student, welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. I hope everyone is fine at home. Everyone has enjoyed the festival of Raksha Bandhan and Janmashtami. Now again we will start our chapter number 6, Soil Erosion and Conservation. Okay, we have already started this chapter number 6, Soil Erosion and Conservation. Dear student, in previous lecture we have read what are the aim of this chapter, what we have to learn in this chapter. In this chapter, what is the aim of this chapter, what we have to read and learn? Once again we are revising. We have to read and learn about what is soil. Okay, what is soil? Okay, then importance of soil. Importance of soil. Next, what do you mean by weathering? All of you know this term. What do you mean by weathering? In this chapter we have read about soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Okay. And factors that causes soil erosion. Soil erosion. Okay. Then what are the harmful effects of soil erosion? Harmful effect of soil erosion. Then the next topic, step to prevent soil erosion. Step to prevent soil erosion. Okay. Okay, in this chapter we have to read and learn about what is soil, importance of soil, then what is weathering, okay, what is soil erosion, then factors that causes soil erosion. Next is harmful effect of soil erosion. Then what are the steps to prevent soil erosion? In previous lecture we have talked about what is soil. I know everyone has read this chapter at home once again. What is soil? The uppermost layer of the earth is known as soil. Okay, the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. Okay, and how soil is made up of? It is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. All of you know. Okay, so what is soil? Give me the answer. Soil, the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. And how it is made up of? It is made up of tiny pieces of rocks and remains of dead plants and animals. Okay, then we have talked about importance of soil. What is the importance of soil? All of you know that plants get nutrients from the soil. Okay, it helps the plant to make their food, and animals is also dependent on plants for their food. So soil is very important. Okay. Second important is soil is home for many animals like earthworm, ants. Okay. Then third, soil product is also used to build homes also, like cement, gravel, sand. It is also used to build home. Then we have talked about weathering. Weathering is a very slow process. Okay, weathering is a slow process, and weathering is a slow process, and soil is formed by breaking down of rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering. Okay, weathering means soil is formed by breaking down of rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering. Now weathering is caused by wind, rain, water, weather changes, okay, plants, trees. Now we have talked about soil erosion. Okay, what is soil erosion? You have read chapter at home now. What is soil erosion? I know everyone knows the answer. What is soil erosion? The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called soil erosion. And we have already read about factors that cause a soil erosion. We know there are three main factors. What are the three factors? Running water, second one is wind, third one is by human activity. In human activity we have talked about deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees in a large number. Okay, and second one is overgrazing by cattle. Okay, overgrazing by cattle. So we have already talked about this stuff. What is soil? What are the importance of soil? Weathering. What is soil erosion? Factors that causes soil erosion. Now, dear student, take out your book and open page number 54. Okay, page number 54. Book, page number 54. At page number 54, till oral question. Today we will start our lecture with oral questions given at page number 54. Okay, in that choose a correct option. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. Okay. First one. Read first one and give me the answer. Okay. First read. The uppermost layer of the earth is called mud / soil. The uppermost layer of the earth is called mud or soil. Which is the correct option? I know everyone knows the answer. The uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. So option soil is correct. Second one. Rocks or matters break up to form matter break up to form soil? What will break up to form soil? So rock will break up to form soil. So option rock is correct. Then third one. It takes millions some years for rocks to break down into tiny particles that forms the soil. It takes millions some years for rocks to break down into tiny particles that forms the soil. Okay. So read third one. It takes millions some years for rocks to break down into tiny particles to form the soil. It takes millions of years for rocks to break down into tiny particles. Fourth one. Water, wind, both are agents of soil erosion. Okay. As you have known, what are the factors that causing soil erosion? Both water and wind are the agents. So option both is correct. So water, wind or both are the agents of soil erosion. So option both is correct. Okay. Do it in your book. Once again, I am revising. Oral question. Choose the correct option. First one, the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. Okay, so tick on soil. Second, rock break up to form soil. So tick on rock. Third one, it takes millions. Tick on millions year for rocks to break down into tiny particles form the soil. Fourth, water, wind and both are the agents of soil erosion. So option both is correct. Both are the agents of soil erosion. Both means water and wind. So option both is correct. Okay, I hope everyone has completed. Now, today we will talk about soil conservation. Okay, soil conservation. Soil conservation. Okay, dear student, take out your book, page number 54, open it, look at the paragraph of soil conservation. Okay, soil conservation. First I will reading from the book. Pay attention in your book. Soil conservation. Nature took millions of years to form soil, है ना? Soil बनने में बहुत millions of years लगते हैं. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. ये हमारी ड्यूटी है, हमें उसे प्रिजर्व करना है, प्रोटेक्ट करना है सॉइल को. The protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. So what is the definition? The protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. So underline this line. What is the definition of soil conservation? The protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. It is our duty to preserve and protect the soil. Okay, the protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. We cannot stop the natural forces like wind and water from causing soil erosion. However, soil can be conserved by the action of these agents of erosion. This can be done in a number of ways of soil conservation. What are the ways of soil conservation? First one is planting more tree. You have to plant more and more tree. Okay. Then it will help in soil conservation. Okay. First point is planting more tree. Plants lessen soil erosion. They prevent water and wind from blowing away the soil. So planting trees is an effective way of reducing soil erosion. Afforestation works equally well both in plants as well as in hilly areas. So first option, what are the ways of soil conservation? Ways of soil conservation. First one is planting more trees. Or you can say afforestation. Afforestation means planting more trees. You can also say afforestation. Afforestation means planting of more trees. Okay. Planting of more trees is known as afforestation. And okay, and trees and grass grown on a slope prevent soil erosion. So we have to plant more and more trees to prevent soil conservation. Okay, soil erosion, sorry. Planting more trees lessens soil erosion. They prevent water and wind from blowing away the soil. So planting trees is an effective way of reducing soil erosion. Means planting more trees will help in reducing soil erosion. So we have to plant more and more trees. Okay, and planting of more trees is also known as afforestation. Then second, avoid leaving the soil bare. Second is avoid leaving the soil bare. Okay. Second one. Okay, at page number 55. avoid leaving the soil bare. Winds blow off the soil from bare fields, so fields should be left bare. Between the cropping season, they can be covered with a grass. The root of the plants of this plant will hold the soil particles together and prevent the soil from being blown away. So after a crop is harvested and before next crops is sown, the soil remains bare. The soil can be easily eroded. To prevent the soil erosion, soil crops can be grown. So winds blow off the soil from bare field. So in between, when the cropping season, they should be covered with a grass. Okay, between the cropping season, they can be covered with a grass. The root of these plants will hold the soil particles together and prevent the soil from being blown away. Okay, means in the cropping season you have to cover that field with a grass. Okay. Third is terrace farming. Terrace farming. Terrace farming, third one. Cutting the slope into steps or terrace can reduce soil erosion. है ना? Look at in this picture, cutting the slope into steps. Steps मतलब सीढ़ी जैसा, है ना? और terrace can reduce soil erosion. आपने देखा होगा सीढ़ी नुमा जहाँ खेती होती है ना? Terrace farming होती है, वहाँ पे वो क्या होता है, उससे सॉइल इरोजन रिड्यूस हो जाता है. स्टेप स्लो डाउन द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. स्टेप से क्या होता है, जो वाटर की स्पीड है वो कैसी हो जाती है, स्लो हो जाती है. एज द वाटर फ्लो स्लो डाउन, सम सॉइल फ्रॉम द स्टेप इज लेफ्ट ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, thus reducing the amount of soil loss. So terrace farming is also help in preventing soil erosion. Okay, means steps or terrace can reduce the soil erosion. Then building embankment. Okay, embankment. Fourth one is embankment. Embankment means what? Embankment means a wall built to prevent flooding of river. What this means? It means a wall built to prevent flooding of river. Okay. Okay, embankment means a wall built to prevent the flooding of rivers. Fourth one, embankment. Pay attention in your book. During the monsoon season, many rivers overflow and flood the field. आपने देखा होगा जब मानसून सीजन होता है, रेनी सीजन होता है, बहुत सारी रिवर्स ओवरफ्लो होती है एंड फ्लड द फील्ड, और खेतों में भी पानी हो जाता है उसके कारण. टू प्रिवेंट फ्लड्स, एम्बैंकमेंट अलोंग रिवर बैंक्स आर बिल्ट. आपने देखा होगा बैंक्स बनाए जाते हैं रिवर के. दिस होल्ड द वाटर बिटवीन द बैंक्स एंड प्रिवेंट सॉइल इरोजन. सो एम्बैंकमेंट मीन्स अ वॉल built to prevent flooding of river. It will help in reducing to prevent soil erosion. Okay, so fourth one is embankment. Okay, a wall built to prevent flooding of river and it will help to prevent soil erosion. Then fourth one is windbreaker. Fifth one is windbreaker. 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 Okay. one is windbreaker. Okay, fifth one is windbreaker. Windbreaker. Trees or hedges grown along the edges of field act as a shield against strong wind. They prevent the soil from being blown away. The land is thus saved from wind erosion. So windbreaker is also help to prevent soil erosion, as trees or hedges grown along the edges of the field act as a shield, okay, against the strong wind. So it also helps to prevent soil erosion. Okay, once again, what do you mean by soil conservation? Soil conservation means the protection of soil against soil erosion. Okay, means soil conservation का मतलब क्या है? The protection of soil against soil erosion. Soil को कैसे protect करना है soil erosion के against? Okay, is known as soil conservation. Then, what are the ways of soil conservation? How can we prevent soil erosion? How can we control? What are the ways of soil conservation? First one is planting more tree. Planting more tree is also known as afforestation, and it will also help to prevent soil erosion. Second one is avoid leaving the soil bare. Means if one crop is harvested in a seasonal between the cropping season, the land should not remain bare. It should there should be some the field should be covered with some grass. Okay, it will also help to prevent and soil erosion. Then third one, terrace farming. Terrace farming steps or terrace are also made to reduce the soil erosion. Then fourth one is embankment. Okay, embankment means a wall is built to prevent the flooding of a river. Okay, it will also help to prevent soil erosion. Then fifth one is windbreaker. As trees or hedges grown along the side edges of field act as a strong wind, act as a shield and protect against a strong wind. So windbreaker is also help in reducing soil erosion, to prevent soil erosion. Okay, I hope everyone has understand. Now about keywords. Okay, what are the important points in this chapter once we are again revising? Okay, keywords. What are the important terms of this chapter? We are revising here. Okay, keywords. Soil. जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है जो हमें लर्न करने हैं वो कीवर्ड्स में दिए हैं, आपको उनको एक बार रीड करना है और लर्न करना है. व्हाट इज सॉइल? द अपरमोस्ट layer of the earth is called soil. Okay, as already you have read this chapter. Okay, the uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. Then second is weathering. What is weathering? The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as weathering. Okay, the condition of wearing water or wind is called weathering. Okay, and it is a very slow process. Weathering is a very slow process. It takes millions of years to break down rocks into small pieces, okay, of stones into they will form a grain. Okay, then topsoil. Topsoil means the topmost layer of the earth. Topsoil is topmost layer of the earth. Okay, topmost layer of the earth. Soil erosion. All of you know what is soil erosion? What is soil erosion? What is soil erosion? Oh, sorry. Here I am written wrong. Here it is. This is known as soil erosion. Okay. This is soil erosion. Okay. Not weathering. Soil erosion. Sorry. Here, once again I am revising. By mistake it has happened. Weathering. Weathering means soil is formed by breaking down of rock rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering. Okay. Okay. First term is soil. Soil, what is the definition of soil? The uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. What is soil erosion? The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called soil erosion. Then next term, topsoil. What is topsoil? Topmost layer of the earth is called topsoil. Weathering. What is the definition of weathering? Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks into small pieces by a process called weathering, and it takes millions of years to break down big rocks into tiny particles that forms the soil. And next one is soil conservation. Next one is soil conservation. What do you mean by soil conservation? The protection of soil against the soil erosion is known as soil conservation. The protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. Okay. Then next term given in your book is afforestation. What do you mean by afforestation? Afforestation means planting of more and more trees. Okay. planting of more trees. Then next term, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of a trees in a large number. Okay, cutting down of trees in large number. Okay, beta. What is soil conservation? The protection of soil against soil erosion is known as soil conservation. Then afforestation. What do you mean by this term? Planting of more trees is known as afforestation. Don't get confused in between afforestation and deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of a trees in a large number is known as deforestation. Okay, beta. Now you have to read once again this chapter at home. Okay, once again read this chapter at home from page number 54. Today we have started from page number 54. You have to revise it once again. Okay, read at home, complete exercise. Okay, today our lecture is finished. Once again read this chapter. Have a nice day. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.